Namaste EMO.
From the heart of Hanover, where the world of manufacturing converges, Machine Maker scripts yet another milestone at EMO 2025.
Yeah.
5 days of innovation, inspiration and imagination, captured, chronicled and celebrated like never before. This year, we go beyond stories. We bring you innovations through the eyes of visitors, their excitement, their curiosity, their vision of the future. Because at Machine Maker, we capture the emotion of engineering and the human spirit driving the factories of tomorrow.
Namaste EMO.
Namaste EMO.
Namaste EMO.
Namaste EMO.
Namaste EMO.